We are going to be discussing on how to make your device run faster. So if you are working with a Windows 11 PCs and that device feels very slow, there are several quick tweaks you can apply in less than 5 minutes to dramatically boost performance without installing a third-party software. So let's go into action and see what we can actually do to make our device run faster. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me grow my channel. So the first thing you want to do is to disable your startup apps, because when you installed software on your device, this device sometimes start with your device. So what you need to do is, we have different options. It's either you press Control Shift Escape on your device. It's going to open the task manager, or we also have just to right click on the task bar, and here you can see the task bar, and you can see we have the task manager, so you can actually click on it as well. So what you need to do is go to your startups. Here you see we have the startups, and now we can decide to, for example, I can disable the AV launch. We have some apps, or for example the mobile device, I can also disable this, and I can also disable the Microsoft Edge as well. So just try and see which apps you don't want to start with your device and you don't use often, then just disable them. So let me close this. Secondly, you want to actually adjust visual effects for maximum performance. So what you need to do is just start the following. Go open, press the Windows, and then with the Windows command on your keyboard, and then arrow is going to open the wrong command, and then enter system, the sysdm.cpl, and then just click OK. Here we need to go to advanced, and you can see we have the option performance, so click settings, and under settings we have adjust for best appearance. What we want to go for the adjust for best performance. By doing that, you can see I've already deselected every options. Here will be deselected, and you can now click OK. So by doing that, it's going to actually adjust your device for the best performance, and all this actually, because everything runs behind the scene on your device, all this will be actually be. So let me just click OK, and then here you want to click OK again. Thirdly, we want to actually change our power plant to have some high performance. So what you need to do is the following. I want to go to, just enter on your device the Windows key or your keyboard, enter the Windows logo, and then X. By doing that, you can see we have, it's going to give us here the or some extra options, but we can also right click, and then we'll also have the same result. So click power options. So here then you want to actually go to power mode. Just here we will need to select, for example, best performance. So what this does is actually allows your CPU to run at full speed. So by going for the best performance, is going to allow your device to also run more faster. So let me close this. So next, what we want to do is also want to free up disk space with storage sense. So what you need to do is on your keyboard again, press your Windows logo and then I. So here is going to take us to settings, and from settings we want to go to system. Just click on system, and then from system here you can see we have storage. So click on storage, and on storage, first of all, you want to say, it says storage sense, automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. Please set this to on, so this can actually help you to free up your space on your device. Then want to click on that. So if I click on that, you can see it says we have the option to run storage sense now. So by doing this, it will actually try to clean up your device and clean unnecessary files that you don't actually need, of course, which will definitely, you can see it says done. We were able to free up 253 megabytes of disk space. So just assume you use your disk space a lot, definitely you will, a lot of files will be deleted. Thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.